transforming the fashion industry from its linear, take, make, waste, model to a circular one, where materials are perpetually recycled, is considered the holy grail of sustainability. With global apparel consumption projected to rise by 63% to 102 million tons in 2030, and an increase in clothing being sent to landfill accordingly, the Ellen MacArthur Foundation reports that $500 billion of value is lost every year due to clothing underutilization and a lack of recycling. Achieving circularity is becoming even more critical. It has remained elusive, however, with collaborative system-wide changes across the fashion supply chain required in order to close the loop. The focus of fashion brands to date has been on somewhat isolated initiatives, including encouraging consumers to mend and wear their clothes for longer, clothing resale, rental and recycling. Whilst consumer efforts are a positive step, the Paris Agreement on Climate Change and Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) demands solutions on a global scale to halt climate change and restore biodiversity within specified timeframes to meet agreed targets. The projected growth of the fashion industry and the resulting emissions and waste generation make a scaled circular fashion industry solution an urgent environmental imperative. But what level of stakeholder cooperation across the industry is needed to achieve circularity, and how would this be coordinated in a fiercely competitive market? Creating a circular blueprint driven by the data cited above and the potential to deliver textile recycling at scale, Finnish biotechnology group Infinited Fiber Company have led a successful bid for over €6 million of European Union research and innovation funding, to form a consortium to create a circular fashion industry blueprint. The funding supports the New Cotton Project's 12 consortium members, spanning Finland, Sweden, Germany, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovenia and Turkey, to work together across waste management, recycling, retail, manufacturing and academia to define a new circular fashion system and business model that they hope will lead to industry-wide adoption, and a significant reduction in fashion's waste and environmental impact. What's highly novel about this project is that it unites companies who compete in the market, but also recognize that collaboration is needed to achieve circularity at the industry level. Industry giants Adidas and H&M are partners on this project and will work together to facilitate the scale and volume needed to properly test this technology, said Infinited Fiber's CEO Petri Alava during a recent video call. Representing Fashion for Good, who are facilitating stakeholder collaboration during the project, was Kathleen Rademan. What we at FFG have noticed is, in order to get something like chemical recycling off the ground, more than one brand is needed.